What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Tommy Kentner here. Today we're going to be installing some Diode Dynamics Tails for turn signals and their LEDs. I've ran them for a couple years, well about over a year on the GTR, and have no issues with them. They come with a 3-year warranty, so you shouldn't have any problems either. So let's go ahead and see what's in the box and we'll get this stuff installed. So it comes in a nice package, real nice label. Here's the Tails for turn signals mod. And then we got some LEDs. So let's pop the hatch. All right guys, they include a 3-year warranty too, like I was telling you, and they're a really good company and they're back their product. All right guys, and all you're going to need for this project is a 10mm socket. So we're going to take the light housing off and I'm going to show you what to do from there. And you're going to grab this firmly. It has a little relief hoe here and it's got a snap in here, so you have to pull it enough to get it off that snap. And then once you have it off, you're going to come in here and you're going to disconnect this. All right guys, we're going to open our package. Tails for turns. All right, and they come one for each side, and then you're just going to do the same as you did on the tail light. Pop this loose. All right, and this just goes into that, and this is going to go in your tail light. But first, we got to put the new LED bulbs in. So we're going to move some stuff out of the way. All right guys, and then all you gotta do to pull this out is just lift up on it. All right guys, and it just fits in there like that, or here, I'll actually put it in. And it just slides back in place. Now the thing is, if it doesn't light up, you just gotta turn it around. The poles ain't right as far as the LED, and then you just put it back in there and then twist it. All right, and then we'll pull. All right, we will be, because we're deleting this, and then we're going to actually add a extra reverse light. And once again, it just slides right in place. But if it doesn't light up, then you just have to turn it 180. And it goes right back in. What's this? So this is your stock reverse light. And then we're going to upgrade it too. And then it just goes back in and twist to lock it and make sure it's firmly locked. So all that is in, and after you got all your bulbs in, it's as simple as just putting it back together. And this is the harness, and it clicks right back into place. You just tuck that up in there like that. and then we're going to run them in. All right guys, and just to pry this little light out, you just stick it in there and get behind it and it'll pop out, and you can turn it off, and then it's the same as the others. You just pull the little bulb out. All right, and we got an LED to go back into it too. Once it's in there, you can turn it on and make sure it's the right direction on the polarized, and then just turn it off. So snap it back in here, and then it just clicks back in there, and then you can turn it off, and it'll be a little bit brighter than the factory. All right guys, we got through putting this back with this one's got the harness, that one's stock. I'm gonna close this, and then I'm going to turn the turn signals on and just show you the difference. All right guys, now see it makes the tail light your new turn signal, and then you see the C light is much brighter on this side. And then this is your stock turn signal. And then see how like this is a little bit dimmer. So it's really brighten it up with that little LED in there. All right, now I'll show you the reverse lights. All right guys, and this is the difference in between the reverse lights, because you actually added one more and you took away the blinker, and then this is your stock one. So we're gonna wrap up the other side, and then we'll show you the complete done version, and we'll be back. All right guys, this is both sets of reverse lights and the turn signal's working. And we'll cut off the lights to kind of give you a better demonstration. This is just a simple mod that y'all can do yourselves. Just trying to walk you through it. That way it's easier to figure out and you don't have to break a tail light or anything crazy. But thanks for watching as always. Check out Form Driven Media on YouTube and Instagram. Go ahead and give him a subscribe on his YouTube channel, and give me a subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. We're probably gonna get the LEDs for the license plate and do some LEDs in the inside, and also got some new wheels and tires that's gonna go on the XT. So stay tuned for that. Make sure you hit that notification bell when you subscribe, and I'll see you in the next episode. Peace.